Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So today's video will be on my top 5 most favorite lip balms under rupees 200. I'm obsessed with lip balms. You won't believe that I always keep a lip balm near my pillow or inside my bag so that I always have substitute for lip balms. So that's the craze for lip balms I have. So starting with the first lip balm, that is the Maybelline's Baby Lips lip balm. It's in the shade Cherry Kiss lip balm. So it has a hint of cherry red color and it retails for rupees 175. It's all in all a very good lip balm, or I should say that it serves the purpose, and they have a quite a good shade range, and it's also very economical, so everyone can use this one. You can see that I have almost finished the lip balm, so I have to go for a refill. So this one is finished, so I will not be able to show you the swatch, and I think many of you have also used this one because this is a very famous lip balm. So yeah, so moving on to the second lip balm, it is the Lakme's Lip Love in the shade Berry Mint. So this lip balm is supremely pigmented, like you don't even have to try to build it to get the shade. Let me show you. It's really pigmented. One of the advantage of this lip balm is that you can use it in place of lipsticks, and it will serve the purpose for both, like the lip balm and the lipstick. So I often use it as a substitute for lipsticks whenever I feel like my lips are overly dried up. So it retails for only rupees 150, so that's quite affordable, and it tingles a bit after you apply it, and that gives the natural plump to your lips, and your lips feels really great because it has, I think, mint in it. So yeah, this is one of my most favorite lip balms till date. So yeah, so moving on to the third lip balm, which is the Nivea's Pink Guava Shine, and it retails for rupees 185. So let me tell you that the price range of all these lip balms may vary according to their shades, so you have to check it out while buying. So it's an excellent lip balm. I think you've also seen the blue packaging that comes. It is not tinted, and it can be used by boys as well, but this one is a little bit tinted. Let me show you. I don't think it will show up that well in the camera, but I hope a little bit. So it's a little bit tinted. It hydrates your lips, keeps your lips moisturized, and if you have dry chappy lips, you are good to go with this one. So now let us move to the most favorite lip balm of mine, that is the Blue Heavens lip balm. It is in the flavor bubblegum, and it retails for rupees 95 to 99, somewhere around it. I bought it after seeing a lot of good reviews about this product, and trust me guys, it's an amazing product and you will instantly fall in love with it after just applying it once. So it's a very plain lip balm, and it's not at all tinted, like you can see this here. It is with some amazing hydrating properties, like you just have to apply it once and you are good to go for like 5 to 6 hours, then you can reapply it. It works great even if your lips are really pigmented. Like I used to have a little bit of pigment in my lips, and which has been reduced after using this lip balm, so I really love this one. The thing that annoys me most about lip balms is that some of them are really addictive. Like some of them are formulated in such a way that you have to apply it again and again, like it makes your lips really dry and chappy, so that you have to apply that product again. That is, I think, something related to their commercial thing, I don't know. You need to be very much careful while you are choosing lip balms, because it really matters. It is a question of your lips. So let me give you an example of one of the lip balm that acts like that. That is the Joy's lip balm. It is a lip guard with shea butter and almond oil. I'm not saying that this is a very bad product. It works good, but I don't think it is working on me. Maybe it will work for you, but it makes my lips really dry and chapped, like I have to use it every hour. This product is definitely not for winters. Maybe I will use it during the summers because I have bought it using my money. So yeah, be very careful while choosing lip balms. That is all I want to say. So let us move to the next. How can I even forget to include this? This is the Himalayas lip balm with wheat gram oil and carrot seed oil. I always have this lip balm with me, even if I have so many of them with me right now. I will have to have this. So the most amazing thing about this product is that if you're having chapped lips which bleeds, it will heal that so well, and also it will keep your lips moisturized for a really long time. It retails for rupees 30 to 35. ये आपको pharmacies में भी मिल जाएगा और cosmetic stores में भी मिलेगा. So girls, even if you are not having all of these lip balms, you must have this one as a substitute. Guys, I couldn't stop myself from including this product in this video. It retails for rupees 38, almost 40. That is, I really like this product. I apply this at night before going to bed, and the next day I see my lips healed and hydrated. If your lips are extremely bleeding, then don't go for anything else but this one. It will heal it so well. In 2 to 3 days, the cracks on your lips will go away and you will feel your lips are baby soft. Then you can go for lip balms like this one, so that you prevent your lips from getting back to that situation again. So you can go for this one as well. So yeah guys, this is all I had to say in this video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video, and now you know how to select your lip balm and what you should select for yourself. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all in the next video.